to another video. We're out here driving the Civic right now. We're on our way to Cars and Coffee right now in San Clemente. So we're making our way over there. We guys are having a good time already, having a good day. Hope you guys enjoyed the the CRV. Hope you guys are able to see good right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the new CRV build. I mean, we haven't done anything but me introducing it to the channel. Should be a good build, pretty fun, taking it on the trails and stuff like that. I haven't driven the Civic in a bit since I bought it. Civic right here in front of us. It's all wide bodied, kind of looks funky, but hey, it's all right. Build is a build. If it makes them happy, it makes them happy. But yeah, as I was saying, the CRV is such a... Oh, I hope you guys are able to see. Yeah, I think so. CRV is such a... I don't know, I feel so spoiled in it. I feel so spoiled in it. It's got AC and all that. Obviously, the Civic doesn't have AC, so makes it very enjoyable. Makes me not want to drive the Civic. Well, I haven't really driven the Civic, to be honest, but yeah, it's honestly very comfortable. Probably the best car I've had. Well, I mean, that's actually the second car I've owned, but yeah, we got a Civic right here right in front of us. It's wide bodied, kind of looks funky, but yeah, here, let me get a quick video on them. Yeah, that Civic I just showed you guys is I think it's turboed. It sounds, you can hear something spooling up, and right there, I don't know if you were able to hear it on the video, but when he did a little pull right there, it like spooled up pretty nice. It sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I have to take the POV mount. This shit's kind of whack. I'm gonna have to invest into a new strap. CRV right in front of us, just like I think it's like the one on our page. It looks like a first gen. Here, let me get up close to him, guys. Oh, it's going to, yeah, it's a first gen, just like ours. But ours is better though. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, it's just ours. Oh, we got this right here. It's not too much built right now on the highway. Hopefully we get to see more over there. Hopefully some Civics or CRVs. I thought we'll see the CRVs though. Got a Civic right here all posted. Still pretty empty over here. There's a lot of cars over here that we'll obviously be heading over to. Everyone's still rolling up, so we'll see what cool things we find out here. Oh, is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Do you mind if I record it?
Absolutely, go ahead, brother. I'll pop it right now.
I've seen you at Tuner Friday before.
Tuner Friday,
yeah,
probably, yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's
Detail Garage? Or which one?
Tuner Fridays, like right there where the Alberto's Tacos
Alberto's,
is.
yeah, I've been there a couple times.
Yeah, I saw you like a couple years ago. I think like in 2022.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a while ago.
That's because I was there. I think that was probably the last time I was there, because I was fucking out there, you know, and you got the people that are out there on the corner. Well, right across the street, there's fucking 2 cops waiting, right?
Yeah, there's always cops.
And then you got
there.
these kids that have the cars pull up, and the kids see the cars, and they all know the cops are fucking right there. But they're like, rev it, and then the fucking people rev it, and the cops get them. Like,
yeah, that's what it is. I always hear bad things about it. That like, everyone's getting state revved right there.
Yeah.
This thing's sick though.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
This thing's sick as hell. It's like drag spec as fuck. Got the carbon trunk. Got a bumper. Look at these meats over here. This thing's crazy. Damn, it's got a roll cage. Look at the shifter on it. That thing's badass. You got the BBS's on deck. The red Recaros. Got carbon. Check out this one. We got like a little wide body. What are these? I can't tell. But they're hard though. Buddy left his door a little open. Red Recaros as well. Ooh, I like the tilt-up steering wheel. That looks hard. Carbon vented hood. I fuck with this white one more. It's definitely cool stuff. Like there's some like muscle cars and all that. A lot of Porsches, Beamers and all that stuff. This one's sick. Next to us, yeah, just came over here to drop off my jacket real quick. Check it out back here. All the meat. And we got the Civic over here that we saw on the freeway. We'll go check him out right now. Check out this R32 though. These are nice. I like this one. Here we got Craig Lieberman's car. If you guys don't know who he is, search him up. I believe it's a wrap. Probably is. But looks good. Got the T's on deck. Yeah, these things sick. Alright guys, we're gonna be heading out. It's not that packed anymore. I stopped recording a bit. I was with my homie. But yeah, we're gonna start heading home. It was pretty cool. It was pretty chill. But we're probably gonna go on a little quick cruise right now. As in we, I mean me. So yeah. We got the ride backing up right here. I feel like it's probably gonna take a bit to get out of here. Hopefully not. The sun's starting to come out. We got no AC, so let's see how this goes. Guys, we're back in the area pretty much. I'm just doing a little cruise around in the Civic because I'm probably not gonna drive it after today since we got the CRV. I've been enjoying my time with that one, so I'm gonna be cruising around. But yeah, the show was good. I mean, you saw what you see every day, or I mean, every time you go there, same luxury cars and all that stuff. So it wasn't anything crazy today. Last time I went there was like a whole drag car, so that was cool. But yeah. Oh fuck. You guys see? Alright. Just did a little quick pull for the video. This thing's slow as hell. But it's alright. It's still fun as hell to drive. Yeah. I don't know. I just wanted to do a quick pull right now. This vibe will never be the same level as the CRVs. The CRV is a whole different thing. Alright, so that's gonna conclude with today's video. Got the Civic right here. The CRV here. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. Just wait till this is all, the CRV is all lifted. It's gonna look hard. But yeah, I want to say thank you guys for the support in the last few videos. We just hit 500 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, expect some things, not too much crazy, coming up soon with the CRV. We're gonna do, it's gonna take a bit. We're probably gonna do little stuff on it. Civic, not too much either. It's not much I can really do right now. I mean, it's not my priority at the moment. It's now the CRV, trying to lift it and all. But I don't know how soon I'll be starting on that. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, thank you guys for 500 subscribers. If you're new to the channel, thank you. If you're an old viewer, thank you for still following. And yeah, have a good one, guys.